So what I'm going to do now is I'm starting by melting 200 grams of chocolate. Make sure that you don't microwave it too much. I prefer double boiling it in an induction or a gas plate. So now if you see, this is the almost consistency. Now I'll add the butter to it. So once I have my chocolate and butter, which is melting and mixing together, now I'm going to keep mixing it. There will be lumps, so as soon as I start seeing lumps, I'm going to microwave it a little more. I'm going to set this here. So I'm going to add the banana into... It's going to be tricky. So the reason I'm whisking it is so that it gets a little air to it, and it works just as a direct replacement for eggs, which is why I usually prefer adding lesser stevia. Do you see the texture? It has a nice eggy texture to it. Once you've whisked your egg whites and egg yolk, it gives it this particular texture. So now I'm going to put in a little bit of stevia into the banana mix. Also, you can't over whisk stevia because at the end of the day, it's a plant replacement with erythritol in it. So it'll start getting weird. Now I'm going to start adding the dry ingredients in it. So we make our own stevia, we manufacture our own stevia. Now you see the texture is not the best for like a brownie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some milk to it. So the reason why they say you should not add milk or water to chocolate directly is because then you will get chocolate rocks. So I'm going to mix it. It'll start looking weird for some time. And then it slowly starts blending in. It'll start mixing. So here's my brownie batter. I'm going to be taking some batter from the side and I'm going to be putting it here. So it's done. Here it stays. Now it won't move. Now I'm going to like settle it in. I'm going to transfer it using my old spatula. So I'm going to put this to baking. I think it's perfectly done. I'm going to put this to cool down here. So here is your sugar-free, diabetes-friendly dark chocolate brownies.